Hey friends, welcome to day 15 of this 28-day Follow Your Cycle series. If you'd like to receive all of the other videos in this series for free, make sure you sign up in the description box below, and I hope you enjoy today's practice. So today's practice is a meditation, and unlike the other meditations we've done in different stages of the cycle, today's is a little bit more challenging. We're leaning into a Kundalini style of meditation, where you'll be using the body in certain ways throughout the practice. Your arms might be challenged, you might be challenged with the breath. And the aim of this meditation is to not only build energy in the body, but also help you to connect with that inner strength that you have. It is challenging, I'm not going to lie to you, but through challenge, through pushing ourselves gently through discomfort, we're able to know our own strength. And at this stage of the cycle, it's the perfect time to do that. We're hopefully feeling confident. The self-talk or the negative talk that comes up in the next phase, in the premenstrual phase, is not quite here yet. So I'm hoping that throughout today's practice, you're going to be able to use positive affirmations and statements to talk yourself through those challenging moments in today's meditation. We're going to start our practice today by chanting the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo, which means I bow to the wisdom or the teacher within. So you can either chant this along with me or just listen with your eyes closed. Let's rub the hands together to get started. Find some length through the spine. Good, and then press the hands together and bring them onto the sternum. Squeeze the shoulder blades together gently, just to open through the heart. Close the eyes if they're not already. Take a big breath in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Release the hands to the lap. Big breath in. Long, slow breath out. Good. So in the next part of our meditation, we're going to bring the hands onto the knees. And as we inhale, we're going to open through the heart. And as we exhale, we're going to round. So we're going to be using quite a rapid breath, something like this. And we're going to keep that up for approximately 3 minutes. If at any time during this practice you're feeling lightheaded and you need to stop, feel free to do that. Take some slow, steadying breaths and then join us when you're ready. Remember, throughout today's practice, bring those positive affirmations in if you're finding it mentally challenging as opposed to physically challenging. Remind yourself, I am strong. I am confident. I can get through this. Remind yourself when you have those moments of self-doubt, self-coach yourself through them. So when you're ready, take a big breath in and a long, slow breath out. Let's get started. You might like to close the eyes down just to further that inward attention. Let your breath settle, find the center, big breath in. Long, slow breath out, just noticing any sensations in the body. And again, inhaling and exhaling. One more. And exhale. Good. I'm going to bring both arms forward now. I need to draw the shoulders down away from the ears. And we're just simply going to practice a long inhale and a long exhale. So the challenge now is not the breath. The challenge now will be physical sensations in the body and where the mind goes to as you experience those physical sensations. So we're just going to observe and watch and breathe and remind ourselves if we need that I am strong and I am confident that I can do this, and it's only 3 minutes. Release the hands into the lap and just take 3 full breaths here. Noticing any sensations in the body. Good. And then our last position today, take the arms above the head. So palms facing forward, draw the shoulders down behind the back. And just like we did before, inhaling. And this time holding the breath. Exhaling. Holding the lungs empty. And then inhaling again. Hold the breath. Exhale. Hold the breath empty. Inhale. So notice if the arms start dropping and keep reaching them up tall. Perhaps even imagining or feeling into an energy flowing from the fingertips. Keep breathing in the same box pattern, breathing, holding, exhaling, holding. As we settle in for the next 2.5 minutes, noticing any sensations in the body, noticing where our mind goes, and reminding ourselves that we are strong. done. Release the hands down into the lap. 3 full breaths, just noticing. Bring the hands to heart, bow down the head. I'd like you to honor yourself for showing up for what is a challenging practice today. Kundalini yoga often looks quite simple, like you're not really doing too much, but as you've experienced today, it can be challenging being in stillness with the body and with the breath. So well done you for getting through today's practice. You might like to journal now any insights that came up throughout this meditation. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.